Hey, welcome, John from Palm Beach Customs. This is 82 CJ-7 6-cylinder factory fuel injection. We just finished up. Complete restoration, New Mexico dry Jeep, rust-free tub, total restoration, all new brakes, rotors, hubs, assemblies, springs, shackle kit, steering stabilizer, brand new engine, all the trimmings, radiator, stainless steel exhaust, 6-cylinder. You can probably hear the helicopter. We got the military helicopter above, so just ignore that. Went with a 67 Camaro blue. Really cool color. We did a Bronco this color and the customer liked it. We have US Wheels makes these factory Jeep style rims made in USA. I love them. Have the best top, soft top. Has a factory spare on the back with the we have 33s on this, 33-inch BFGs. Rides nice. It's still got a little bump in the height. So we went with the best top black denim. All new seats. Got the Tuffy box, lockout box with the stereo. We always put these in unless the customer requires something else. And the speakers are fit in the back. Got brand new seats, spray on bed liner. Totally redid the dash. New steering wheel, new windshield, new cowl rubber. And we just did everything. All new gauges, all the new control cables for the temperature controls and air vents. New heater core. All stainless mirrors. And I'm just giving you a shot right here. We'll pop the hood. We did all new headlight bezels and park light bezels. Factory chrome front bumper. Here's the engine compartment here. It's got the fuel injection. And we put a brand new 2.8 6-cylinder. New starter, tune-up, all new motor mounts. We do starter solenoid, new battery. We got the new radiator in there. She's burning really nice. And we shoot inside the engine compartment. The fenders are all taken off. This thing has all new rubber body mounts. This is one of our full builds, stock builds. Gives you a good idea. Make it a great day. This is John from Palm Beach Customs. Just wanted to mention, this is the, we use stainless steel thick wall pipe for the exhaust. The exhaust is all complete stainless. Never rust out.